little bit.
Put it right down here. I don't think they put enough plastic on it.
Ooh.
I've been saving up for that for you.
How much you spent this one? Jesus.
The gift, why do you
Oh no.
there's more parts,
Mag-vlog na daw ako.
there's more parts to it too. Oh, it comes with the card? Oh, I'll be down.
What is that?
It's just a lens cleaning kit. All kinds of crap.
Yan.
Return.
How much? You bought this one for how much?
For you.
I know, for
It's a gift.
27,000, but they cannot even put in the box.
It is in a box. That's all.
Yeah, I know, but supposed to be put in the proper box.
Yeah.
Thank you, sweetheart! Nako, magbabloging na daw ako kasi binilhan ako ng asawa ko. Wala lang talaga to siyang magawa sa buhay. Pinira mo na lang sana to sa akin, Dad. Pinira mo na lang to sa akin. Ang mahal-mahal. Yan. For vlogging daw niya to. Ewan ko ba sa kanya. Ana. Oh God. Oh. You need to teach me how to use this one. It's a charger, I think. They have a charger in there. So, oh, so this is the one that look like invisible.
No, that's coming.
Ah, it's coming to. Tingnan mo to siya.
Okay.
So,
This is a short one.
that was short only, the one that you can put in the table.
Yeah. But the good thing about it is
Ito tong asawa ko, kahit ang laking gagastusin namin ngayon, gastos pa rin ang gastos. Ito parang mga 27,000. Dahil lang sa vlogging vlog. Ano lang niya, gusto daw niya. Parang ano eh. Ang liit pala. This is a small camera, ha?
this is a tripod.
The other one. 3. Oh, just only 2. Oh, the whole. Oh, okay. I get it now. Then this one. Ang liit ng camera.
Okay,
That's the camera.
this is the camera. Yeah?
That's a small, huh? So meaning that was the 27,000, sweetheart?
Why are you looking up stuff? Gosh.
You should give me the pera instead.
What?
No, nothing.
It's lenses.
That's so small, huh? Oh, they have a cover to Dad.
Oh yeah.
So you can put inside and able that not become
You should have a phone cover.
you should ano yet because later it's not function. We can return.
No, not return.
This is expensive.
So this comes up. This comes up.
Ah, okay. So just a symbol then. So, yeah, ang kuan is 128 na po siya 200 something dito sa kanang kuan sa sulod. After that, yung battery niya, bumili rin siya, so nakagastos pala siya nito ng mahigit 30,000 talaga. More than 30,000 dahil lang dito, ha. Ito talaga asawa ko, kahit hindi masyadong needed eh. And binilhan niya talaga ako ng extra battery ring. Hindi naman ako mahilig sa vlogging. Kaya ngayon, no choice na talaga akong magbablog. So, ito, chargeable battery. Meron din pala siya. Yan. Yan. So, mapablog na daw. Ito, pinisan niya ako ng water extra. This one? So, meaning nakagasto siya ng more than 30,000. Antigas talaga ng ulo eh. Yan. Ito na siya set up. Kailangan ko pang mag-study nito kasi wala naman akong alam. Then, may coming pa ata siyang invisible stake daw. Parang hinahawakan mo may stake pero wala kang makikita na stake pag record mo. Yan. I don't know, sweetheart. Yan, yun. Ang tigas ng ulo ng asawa ko eh. Kailangan ko ng pera. Pero yan, bili pa rin siya. Mahal-mahal pa naman. But anyway, thank you, Dada. Thank you, Dada. Dada, thank you. I'm so brat for that. I'm so old already to that. But thank you, sweetheart.